Imagine this. You're deep in a lush tropical forest, sunlight filtering through the canopy above you. The air is alive with the buzz of insects and the distant calls of exotic birds. And then you see it, an explosion of color, a flower so intricate and beautiful it seems almost otherworldly. Welcome to the world of orchid flowers, where nature's artistry knows no bounds. Join us as we unravel the secrets of these captivating blooms, taking you on a journey through their unique characteristics, diverse habitats, and cultural significance. Get ready to be amazed by the orchid flower, a true testament to the wonders of the natural world. Before we dive into our orchid adventure, have you ever wondered how explorers used to bring plants back from their travels without the aid of refrigeration? It's fascinating to know that they relied on techniques like pressing plants between layers of paper or cloth, then placing them in herbaria for storage. These methods, along with others like drying or using special solutions, helped preserve plant specimens for study and identification. And if you find yourself captivated by the orchid flower and eager to learn more about its various types, don't miss out on our upcoming videos on African orchids, moon orchids, and ghost orchids. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. Now let's embark on our global tour of the most extraordinary orchid flowers, starting with the orchid capital of the world, Thailand. Thailand. Orchid capital. Our orchid journey begins in Thailand, renowned as the orchid capital of the world. Renowned for its rich biodiversity, Thailand boasts over 1,500 orchid species in their natural habitat. Picture this. You're strolling through the sprawling grounds of the Royal Orchid Garden in Chiang Mai, surrounded by over 4,000 varieties of these exquisite blooms. Among the must-sees are the vibrant Vanda teres, also known as the butterfly orchid, and the elegant Dendrobium anosmum, famous for its sweet fragrance. But Thailand's orchid legacy doesn't end at its borders. This country is a major producer and exporter of orchids worldwide. If you're lucky enough to visit during the Orchid Festival in February or March, you'll witness an astonishing display of over 2 million orchid plants in full bloom. Costa Rica, jungle orchids. Next, we venture into the heart of Costa Rica's rainforests, home to an incredible variety of jungle orchids. Imagine hiking through the misty cloud forests of Monteverde, where the air is thick with the scent of blooming orchids. Keep an eye out for the resplendent quetzal, one of the most sought-after birds in the region, which finds shelter amidst these lush blooms. Costa Rica is a haven for rare and endangered orchid species like the iconic Three Kings orchid, named for its 3 distinct blooms, each resembling a crown. Don't miss the chance to explore the magnificent gardens of Rancho Natural, where you can marvel at a stunning array of orchids and other exotic plants. Ecuador and the Andes. Now we head to Ecuador, nestled in the Andes Mountains, a realm where cool mists, high altitudes create the perfect environment for a unique type of orchid known as the Andean orchid. As you ascend through the cloud forests of the Andes, you'll encounter a vibrant tapestry of life, including orchids that defy gravity, clinging to steep slopes with their aerial roots exposed. Take the awe-inspiring Epidendrum ibaguense, for example, with its cascading flower spikes adding splashes of color to the mountain slopes. To fully immerse yourself in Ecuador's natural wonders, consider visiting the Chacana Ecological Reserve, where you'll find a mind-boggling array of orchid species and the opportunity to spot elusive wildlife like the spectacled bear. Singapore, Gardens by the Bay. Our orchid adventure now takes us to the futuristic city of Singapore, home to the spectacular Gardens by the Bay. Step into a world of architectural brilliance and natural beauty, where the super tree grove stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the harmony it can achieve with nature. Among the many attractions, the cloud forest is a must-see, featuring a majestic waterfall, cool misty air, and an impressive collection of orchids. The orchid display changes seasonally, but you can expect to see an array of vibrant colors and unique shapes. Don't forget to visit the Flower Dome, home to over 1 million plants, including a vast collection of Mediterranean and semi-arid plants from around the world. If you're in Singapore, exploring the gardens is a must-do activity, so plan your trip accordingly and make sure to check out these remarkable orchid havens. Orchids in culture and symbolism. Throughout history, orchid flowers have held deep cultural significance and symbolism across various civilizations. Let's take a moment to explore some of these fascinating aspects. In ancient Greece, orchids were associated with fertility and masculinity. The Greek physician Dioscorides even believed that consuming orchid seeds could increase male potency. During the Victorian era, orchids became a popular symbol of love and beauty, often used to convey secret messages between admirers. In Japan, certain orchid species like the Dendrobium nobile hold cultural significance, representing luxury and refinement. Chinese culture places great importance on orchids, with poets and painters often depicting them as symbols of elegance and longevity. Let's now delve into the symbolism of colors in orchid flowers. White orchids typically symbolize purity, innocence, and new beginnings. Pink orchids represent grace, femininity, and admiration. Yellow orchids convey friendship, joy, and warmth. Red orchids signify love, passion, and desire. Purple orchids are associated with royalty, mystery, and magic. Blue orchids often represent uniqueness, wisdom, and tranquility. Black orchids symbolize elegance, power, and sophistication. As we continue our exploration of orchids, keep an eye out for unique and rare varieties. Orchids exhibit a wide range of unusual and intriguing features. Some orchids, like the Dracula simia, have flowers that resemble monkey faces, while others, such as the Ophrys apifera, mimic the appearance of insects. Certain orchids, like the Vanilla planifolia, are not only beautiful but also highly fragrant, with their vanilla-scented blooms adding a delightful aroma to the air. Here are some travel tips to make the most of your orchid adventures. When traveling to orchid-rich destinations, it's essential to pack accordingly. Opt for comfortable shoes for exploring rainforests or hiking trails. Bring binoculars for birdwatching. And don't forget insect repellent to keep pesky critters away. Additionally, consider bringing a field guide to help identify different orchid species. If you're fortunate enough to live near a botanical garden or arboretum, pay a visit to admire the orchid collections. Many gardens offer guided tours or workshops, providing valuable insights into these fascinating plants. Additionally, some gardens allow photography enthusiasts to capture the beauty of orchids in their natural surroundings. When purchasing orchid plants or related products, support reputable sellers or local artisans who prioritize sustainable practices. By choosing eco-friendly options, you help preserve orchid species and their habitats for future generations to enjoy. Finally, spread the word about the importance of protecting orchids and their ecosystems. Share your experiences and knowledge with friends and family, and encourage them to appreciate and conserve these remarkable plants. Together, we can ensure that future travelers continue to be amazed by the beauty of orchid flowers for years to come. Orchids, the world's most beloved and cherished flowers. Their ethereal beauty and exotic charm have captured the hearts of explorers, botanists, and travelers for centuries. From the lush jungles of Costa Rica to the mesmerizing gardens of Singapore, orchids beckon us to explore their captivating world. We've journeyed through rainforests, marveled at cascading waterfalls, and discovered the hidden wonders of these remarkable plants. Each orchid encountered has left an indelible mark on our imagination, reminding us of the boundless creativity of nature. But our orchid adventure doesn't end here. There's still so much more to discover, from the vibrant hues of African orchids to the enigmatic allure of moon orchids and the elusive presence of ghost orchids. As we continue our exploration, we invite you to join us in celebrating the wonder and diversity of the natural world. Each orchid holds a unique story, a testament to the intricate beauty that surrounds us. So where will your orchid flower adventure take you next? Will you trek through misty rainforests or stroll through futuristic gardens? The choice is yours. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. And until next time, may the enchantment of orchid flowers forever captivate your imagination.